Today, we're counting down the top 5, starting with the best overall buy at number 1, and working our way to number 5. Number 1, the Lexus ES 350, model years 2007 to 2011. If you only remember one car from this list, make it this one. The ES 350 is built on the same platform as the Toyota Camry, which means reliability is almost guaranteed. But unlike the Camry, the ES wraps that solid foundation in Lexus refinement. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6, making about 268 horsepower, enough to deliver smooth, effortless acceleration without guzzling fuel. Owners routinely see these cars go well past 300,000 miles with nothing more than basic maintenance. Inside, you get leather seats, premium audio, real wood trim, and a ride so quiet you'll think you're in a car worth 3 times the price. And here's the kicker. In 2025, clean examples are selling for $6,000 to $9,000 US, which translates to about $9,000 to $12,000 Canadian. Annual maintenance averages around $600, a fraction of what you'd spend on a German luxury sedan of the same era. If you want maximum comfort, minimum headache, and resale value that still holds up, the ES 350 is the Lexus to buy. But maybe you need something with more space for family duty. That's where number 2 comes in. Number 2, the Lexus RX 330 and RX 350. Built between 2004 and 2008. This SUV is the brand's best seller, and for good reason. It combines everything people love about Toyota SUVs: durability, easy maintenance, and long life, with Lexus comfort and design. The RX 330 came with a 3.3-liter V6, later upgraded to a 3.5 in the RX 350. Both engines are smooth and reliable, and with regular oil changes, these crossovers easily hit 250,000 miles. The cabin is roomy, with supportive seats, high-quality materials, and a quiet highway ride. Families especially love the RX because it's easy to get in and out of, has plenty of cargo space, and offers available all-wheel drive for winter weather. Prices now sit comfortably under $10,000 US, or around $12,000 to $14,000 Canadian, depending on mileage. And just like the ES, annual upkeep costs are shockingly low, usually $500 to $600, thanks to Toyota-sourced parts. Still, some buyers don't just want practicality. They want prestige. That's why number 3 might surprise you. Number 3, the Lexus LS 430. Built from 2001 to 2006. This was Lexus's flagship sedan, competing directly with the Mercedes S-Class and BMW 7 Series. Back then, it was one of the most advanced and refined luxury cars in the world, and many still argue it was the most reliable luxury sedan ever made. Under the hood, you'll find a 4.3-liter V8 making 290 horsepower, paired with a silky smooth automatic transmission. Owners regularly report these cars lasting well over 400,000 miles with minimal drama. Inside, the LS 430 is all about quiet comfort. Features like double-pane glass, ultra-comfortable leather seating, and the legendary Mark Levinson sound system made it feel ahead of its time. New, this car cost upwards of $70,000. Today, you can find clean examples for $8,000 to $10,000 US, or $12,000 to $15,000 Canadian. And while maintenance is a little higher than the ES or RX, usually $600 to $800 per year, it's still a fraction of what an equivalent German flagship costs to keep on the road. Still, not everyone wants a big sedan. Some drivers want something sportier, and that's where number 4 delivers. Number 4, the Lexus GS 300 and GS 430, produced between 1998 and 2005. These mid-size sedans fly under the radar, but enthusiasts know how special they are. The GS 300 came with the legendary Toyota 2JZ Inline 6, the same engine family that powered the Supra. While not turbocharged here, it's still one of the most durable engines ever made. The GS 430 offered a 4.3-liter V8 for buyers who wanted more power. Either way, you're getting a car that blends sporty handling with Lexus comfort. The GS is also a great balance in size. Larger and more stable on the highway than the IS, but not as big as the LS. Today, prices hover between $8,000 and $10,000 US, or about 10 to 13,000 Canadian, depending on condition. Maintenance costs are in the $600 to $700 range, and many parts are shared with Toyota, keeping expenses down. Compared to a BMW 5 Series of the same era, which is notorious for electrical problems and repair bills north of $2,000 annually, the GS is a no-brainer. Number 5. The Lexus CT 200H, model years 2011 and 2012. Think of it as a Toyota Prius in a tuxedo. It shares the same hybrid drivetrain as the Prius, which means excellent reliability and incredible fuel economy, over 40 miles per gallon in real-world driving. But the CT 200H sets itself apart with Lexus refinement, a quieter cabin, higher quality materials, and sharper styling. It's a compact hatchback, so it won't give you the space of an RX, but for city driving, it's hard to beat. And because it's a Lexus hybrid, you can expect the battery packs to last well past 150,000 miles, with many still running strong over 200,000. Prices are well under 10,000 US dollars, or about 12 to 14,000 Canadian. Maintenance costs are some of the lowest in the luxury segment, often under $500 per year. It may not be the fastest Lexus ever made, but if your priority is low running costs, strong reliability, and premium feel, the CT 200H is one of the smartest buys under 10,000. Honorable mentions go to the IS 250, which delivers sporty looks and dependable performance, the GX 470, a rugged SUV that can handle off-road trails just as well as family errands, and the SC 430 convertible, which may not have been loved when new, but has proven to be incredibly reliable with age. So that's the countdown. The ES 350 for unbeatable value, the RX for family practicality, the LS 430 for flagship luxury, the GS for sporty dependability, and the CT 200H for hybrid efficiency. Each of these cars blends Toyota's reliability with Lexus comfort, and all of them can be found for under $10,000 in 2025. Which one fits your lifestyle best? Drop your answer in the comments, hit the like button if this list helped you, and with all that, what do you think?